So I am now in a Microsoft Excel page, and suppose if I want to copy this entire page, I want to copy the entire page as an image. I simply go to the keyboard, and there you can see this is the control key and this is the S key. I press these two keys at the same time. After that I open this paint in my computer. Okay, and in this paint here you can press these two keys, that is you must click this control key and V key. You must press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that our Excel page itself come here. And if you want to save it as a image, you must click this file here, and from there go to save as, and here it asks what type of picture you want. I'm going to save this as a PNG picture, then I select this PNG. After that you must put the name that you want here, and after that press this save button of this video. See for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.